Okay, so what we are doing today is changing this third brake light. It's faded and crummy with a new brake light, or third brake light.
And also another little tidbit, these videos I've had on my computer for a long time, so don't mind the paint fade and kind of the audio that's a little wonky, but I really hope you enjoy. Okay, thanks.
So this was a LED brake light, so what's going to be a little bit different is has these little tabs here that should hopefully go right into the back of these guys. This goes under here. So what I'm using is a 10mm socket, but it's a long socket. So now what's next is going to be to push these little push pins out here. Just the light upwards. And also for these bulbs, if anybody was wondering, you just kind of twist and they come right out. And as I say, to the left. And now let's see if we could pull this guy out. Lower this down a little bit. Bit of tugging, we got it all off here, and it's actually looks like on mine I'm actually missing a few holes, but if it works, it works. So that guy's gonna slip into there, that guy's gonna slip into there. Just because we're missing these holes, just gonna get some electrical tape and tape it up a little bit just to kind of hold this in a little bit better. And now this bulb is still gonna... Perfect. Now we'll crimp these down, put these in here.
So this is actually the back of a spare third brake light I have. So I just wanted to go into a little bit more detail. So when I was talking about the crimping, make sure you're crimping these guys down because you could see how that is kind of popped up. Here, this is for the trunk bulb. These holes are to actually hold the wiring harness in. The process of putting this light in is the exact opposite of taking it out. I know I didn't really do too much of fitting the light back in, but it's really simple and easy. And this whole install took me around 30 minutes. So good luck.
So these brake lights are working. Push it again. The top is working. Pretty sweet.
Hey guys, so I just wanted to show you what the third brake light looks like. Don't mind all the watermarks and all that fun stuff from the car sitting outside, but you can see the light is still in really good shape, and I'll make sure to link it down below if you're interested in a brake light like this. I really hope that this video was informational and that it helped you out a lot, so make sure that you give it a like, subscribe, and more videos like this will be coming soon. So thank you very much, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!